Welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom Villas, a Disney Vacation Club resort. We are in Jambo house once again, and we are staying in a deluxe studio. This time with standard view, quote unquote standard view. Upon entry, you have this very nice mirror. It looks wood, it's actually just plastic, but it looks pretty. Only feels plastic when you hit it. A lot of nice styling on it. And we come to the kitchenette here. Here, a couple steps this way so you guys can see the full thing. There you go. What we've noticed is these studios, they're not giving us cutlery and plates and all that. They're giving us all they are giving us cutlery and plates, but they're one single use. But then any bigger room, we are getting all the usual stuff. Extra paper towels up there. On this shelf, we have our ice bucket and cups. We have a microwave. We have a Sunbeam toaster. It's a Whirlpool microwave, by the way. We have our Mr. Coffee with all of our coffee supplies. We have a sink. We have a Whirlpool mini fridge. And underneath, we have our garbage and our recycling. And hidden, unfortunately, because they didn't design this that well, hidden are these cute animal tiles. Simba, in Rafiki style, is hiding under the paper towel. There's this cute rhino. Is that it? Just the two that knew the, I guess they knew the coffee maker was there. So they only did two of the tiles where they thought you might see them. Okay, we'll turn this way. There is no door here. This is the vanity's just here in the open. We have a vanity with two sinks, no drawer space. You do have a ledge up there. It might not be a lot of room. You might want some drawers, but yeah. This is a cool. We have these nice lights. This mirror is really interesting with these hidden Mickeys. How cute. How cute is that? Great design. Very, very cool. There I am. Hello. To the bathroom, we do have a door. There's a full-length mirror there again. If you guys are going to fight over the full-length mirror, there are two of them. In here, we have towel rack, toilet. We have a nice, colorful shower curtain. Wish the lighting here was a little better, maybe, at least on this side, but nice, pretty tile, a pleasant shower to greet the day in. Tub with a nice sized ledge on that side. You got some room for stuff there. Amenities mounted to the wall. Does this tile continue? I was gonna say no. Oh, there's a nice wallpaper design. Actually, if you come look at the rest of the bathroom. Yeah, typical stuff here. All right, that's the bathroom. You do have the lighted makeup mirror, the illuminated makeup mirror. Okay, here we are in the bedroom. And if you've looked at our tour of the Kidani Deluxe Studio, a lot of this will look familiar. There's some minor differences. Okay, let's begin. We have a map of Africa, which also says that there's a hidden animal kingdom, I guess. And are there any Disney details in this then? New and accurate map of Africa. I don't know if there's any Disney references or they just found a map that happened to say Animal Kingdom. I don't know. Maybe it's a term for an area in Africa. I have no idea. So you have the nice tapestry over the bed, the very beautiful headboard, the thematic lights. Bed does not have storage space underneath. This was before they were doing that. Where they expect you to put your luggage for the most part. I thought there was going to be a luggage rack right there. It's in here. So there is a luggage rack in here that the extra pillows and such are on. There are hangers for pants and shirts and jackets. The safe is up here. Also in here, the hair dryer and the ironing board slotted right there. And if the luggage rack isn't enough for your bags, there is what is supposed to be some bag storage down here. It's not particularly giant. It's not very wide. So I just feel like there's a lot of people who won't have bags that fit here. And because the doors swing out, it's not really going to be effective to have the doors open all the time either. So just so you know, TV stand, not as cute as the last Animal Kingdom room we're in with the little animals on them. This does have, I'll share a fun fact with you. This lizard actually comes from those big metal plates that are on the ground in the lobby here at Jambo House, are done by a very particular artist. And that artist, in all of his art, hides this lizard. And so it's in all that art, and so they thought it'd be cute to put it on some of the furniture in here. And I agree, it's very cute. Big Samsung TV. Up here we have lots of outlets, 4 USB, 4 standard. Go over here. The chairs they painted all one color. These used to be all colorful at the top. I actually own a set of these chairs. And they're colorful, but at one point they just painted them brown. They're nice though. They're very comfortable. Here's the table. Tissues up here. Here is the awesome lizard mirror. I know I've gone on and on about this mirror before. I love it. It's great to look at. On this side, we have the sofa bed. We have these 2 light tables that are easy to move. We have a lamp. We have some African art up here. In between, we have 2 USB and 2 standard outlets. Once again, on this unit, it has a little drawer too. We have, that doesn't do anything. That's that switch. This is that switch. I assume this is the fan. Yeah, that'll control the fan up here. So it's nice. I like when you have a fan and the air conditioning. I think it's helpful, cooling down the room a little faster. Before we open this guy, let's take a look out here. So I said we have standard view. And so it's not technically a Savannah view. There is Savannah here though. I don't know which one. This is not the main Savannah. I don't know what animals are supposed to be out here or if they will be out here in the time I'm here. I'll have to look, but there's also this pen coming out here. I assume this is why this qualifies as a standard. But it's not the word. I'd rather look at this than a parking lot, whether an animal comes out or not. The ubiquitous zebra chair. We have a table here. Good amount of space, actually. There's even space back here. It's a pretty big balcony. And we'll come back in to the climate-controlled environment. What's on this curtain? Anything fun? Nope. Just a striped curtain. All right, you know what time it is, kids. It's time to open this thing. All right, this time we've got the Ethan Allen unit, the slightly older one. I know now they're using American leather. I think this is the one people don't like. This is the one people claim is uncomfortable. Yeah, with the super thin mattress, yeah. So, if you're putting kids on this, it's fine. Generally, everyone else is gonna complain. But if it's someone that's staying with you for free, just make them sleep there, right? But yeah, there it is. Not their most comfortable bed on property, but nonetheless, there is another bed in here. I threw the pillows up there. Yeah, so this again is a standard view deluxe studio at Jambo House at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, part of the Animal Kingdom Villas, a Disney Vacation Club resort.